Hi guys. So, I've got a log that is currently at my father-in-law's. I want to try attempt to mill into boards. So, this is one of my chainsaws. Got quite a few. I've sold quite a few to be fair as well. This is a 28-inch bar on this one, I think. And this is a 710 McCulloch automatic. I think that's a 70cc. But I bought this off a friend. Hold on, I'm going to flick you around. Yeah. I'll flick you around so you can see, give you like a little tour around it. Alright, so here we go. So it didn't originally come with a chain brake, so I've swapped that off one of my other chainsaws. I think that was a Pro Max 60. It's gone now, sold that. Pull cord is looking a bit tatty, so I'll probably replace that. Just give it a bit of a clean up. I don't think I'm going to bother with the body paint. I quite like that. Maybe make... Could do the wraparound handle, wraparound bar. Now the exhaust is something I definitely need to look at. So this is like a mod that the guy, I bought it off a friend of mine, Hamish. This is his workhorse anyway. He doesn't use it as much now, so I bought it off him. And it's a good runner. But since I fit the chain brake, because obviously this wasn't originally to it, it now blocks the muffler. And I also wanted to change that muffler. So that's something to do. And just genuinely give it a good clean out to make sure everything's in good order. So I'm going to strip it down and make a little video for you guys. And hopefully you'll enjoy it. Alright, chances are this is going to be a few, I don't know, like 3 video series or something, I don't know. Just because I'm going to be doing it in evenings around my work. Pretty busy at the moment, and but I do want to get this done. I've been putting it off, so why not? Might as well film it if I'm going to do it. So, first thing first, let's get everything taken apart. Right, what do we need? Get the bar off. I need... That's probably 1/2 inch. It's American. So this is my Whitworth set. It's not technically Imperial, but you know, well it is, but it's English Imperial, not American. So random. Yes, it's played on the chainsaws. Realistic, probably anyway. Got a little flat tip, I'll take this extension off. It'd be nice to get this running sweet. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with the exhaust. Work something out. Did have a tool for this. I was really organised with all my chainsaw bits at one point, I was doing a lot of it, so I've kind of gone to ruin now. Right, let's get rid of this. So we'll leave this out just in case. Chances are we'll want it. Even though we use the metrics system over here, even though to be honest, personally, I prefer to use Imperial when I'm using my machine and lathing. I just find the fractions of a 1,000 far easier than metric. You know, it's just me working in thou. But yeah, either way, we still use it, you know, 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 inch ratchets. We haven't converted for the metric, even though, you know. Right, so obviously modded this in the past. Use spacers on the lug there. My cullet's can be a bit of a pain getting the chain off, just because the clutch is a bit awkward. Let's get rid of this first then. Alright, so gummed in there, that's nice. Give that a clean up. Ratchet. Socket, sorry. I did tamper with this a while ago. Tried to take off the exhaust and I give up. So we'll do that again. There we go. It was a lot easier than expected. I remember it being. Right, where can I hang that for now? I can work that. Sure that won't be in the way at all. Catch me on everything. This one's a good clean, it's rank. Okay, so next we will whip off the chain. These want replacing. They're all random sizes. I have to check what these are, about UNC or UNF, I suspect. It'd be nice if they're not. That's better. System held on. Again, as you can see, it's pretty manky, so it needs a good clean out. Have we got any oil in? Pimp my chainsaw. The thing about chainsaws, they're so temperamental. 2-stroke. Not quite set up right. It's just won't have it. So probably make some new gaskets for this. Like I did with the power hammer. The air filter, I imagine, is not going to be in the best. Or do we give that a clean? It's not going to be helping. Now, the carb, I think this is pretty good. I'm pretty certain that I don't really want to mess with that. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. What I'd like to do, as I say, is whip this exhaust off the cars. Let's try anyway. Where's that stuff gone? There it is. Oh yeah. hopefully show some more forging videos up fairly soon. I'm hoping anyway. Almost close to being done. Right, so this is the issue I had last time. There we go. Something is holding it in situ. Okay, we're missing a bolt on the base, the handle. Let's whip this up and see if this is hiding anything. We round it off. Nice. I like these McCullochs. Yeah, looking good, right? Check out. A few 100,000. His channels have changed a bit, I suppose. He used to just be out the back of his garage. Wahey. That's weird. So, yeah, it's totally different. Right, we can do something with this. I think I'm going to reuse this and just change it slightly. I tried straight pipes once with the Mac 1010, but I think they need back pressure in order for them to work effectively. You can see the piston through there. Sort of states it in. It's got good compression. Like I say, if I clean it all out, bit of a scary machine to be fair. It was kicking out fuel, I think last time I used it. I want to think it did anyway. Okay, so this is mostly stripped down now. So things I need to address are pull cord wants redoing. Obviously it needs a good clean out. Could take the carb out, but I don't really want to. Suppose what I'll do is I'll clean everything down because this is completely grubby. Like you look inside here, it's filthy. Torch on it. There's the camera there. You can't really see, you know, just all that nasty stuff. It's obviously just oil from the bar, chain bar. See inside here. Sorry guys, blinding you. Just give all this a good clean out. And you know, below the filter out. Probably give that a bit of a rinse and a clean. And the big one is the exhaust. So do something with this. That's probably going to be a video in itself, that is. And redo the pull cord. And check the spring. I think the springs are right, to be fair. And I need to replace some of these bolts because they're a bit shabby. Yeah, I'm sure this is a good chainsaw. I've ran it a couple of times. Either way, it'd be interesting, wouldn't it? The finale of trying to do the log. We shall try. Right guys, so I guess we shall start with cleaning this out. Right, so tonight's jobs, I guess, just get all the muck off it, well, as much as we can. Okay, so I've literally just been going at it with this brush, which is it's a little bit too big. Toothbrush would have been ideal, so I might just get a toothbrush, a couple of toothbrushes ordered, and obviously blowing it out with the airline. But scraping it with the screwdriver and then blowing it out with the airline. It's obviously a bit stubborn, so I'm thinking I might just order some, I don't know, something for cleaning. Get some little steel toothbrushes and some cleaning chemicals of some sort. And I need to get some pull cord ordered. And see what else I can get. Obviously with it being an American saw, it's It's a bit of a nightmare getting parts, but it's pretty robust, to be fair. Because I don't think I'll bother taking the carb off. I don't want to tamper with that. It seems to be running fine. It's just the exhaust. That's going to be its own video. Sort of weird mocked up something. You can see there it's inside there. Can we? Yeah, just sort of slits. So get some sort of back pressure. So it's me to make something crude that's similar to that. Maybe I could just clean up this case and just grind it all back. Chop that off. And extend that. Clean that out a bit, you know, and bring it up into a bit of a better exhaust. When it's got the chain brake on, so it goes past it, I think that's probably the best option. So we'll probably go with that. Right guys, I'm done for tonight. I'm going to go get something to eat. I'll see you in the next video.